Good morning, friends. Hope you are all fine. Friends, we have started with the topic of final account, right? You remember it. And friends, we have completed up to the illustration. All the illustrations we have solved in a great way. Now the time has come to solve our exercise questions. Okay. So friends, take your textbook in your hand. I am also using that. Without textbook, it's not possible for us to do the sum. So friends, let's see question number 8. I have the answers only. I don't have the questions, right? So it is better you take your ratio, okay, and your calculus and all the required materials. Eighth question, already we have discussed it, related to Brahma and Vishnu, okay. All the adjustment we have read, everything we have done. Now we have to just start our sum. So prepare the columns, friend. Profit and loss account of partnership form of Brahma and Vishnu. Prepare this column and leave around 20 lines. Leave around 20 lines. After that, give the heading Profit and Loss Appropriation Account of Brahma and Vishnu. Brahma and Vishnu. Leave around 10 to 12 lines. Then give the heading Partners Capital Account 5 lines. Partners Capital Account 5 lines. And then finally we have to prepare it's a balance sheet. Finally we have to prepare is the balance sheet. Ready? So we'll see one point and we'll tick on it. So your concepts will be very clear. Okay. So I think we can start our topic. So friend, first information I can see, right? It's the capital. So where we have to go? Yes, it should go on partners capital credit side by balance brought forward 55,000 and 45,000. Okay. After the balance I can see is loan of Brahma is given. So loan, where we have to go, loan means that we have to pay in the future. That means it's a liability, Brahma's loan. Now Brahma is a partner. So if a partner is there, we have to give the interest on loan at how much percentage? 6%. So calculate that also. 50,000, 6%. It comes to 3,000. But date has been given 1/7. So if we calculate from 1/7 to 31st March, you get, I think, 9 months. Okay. So 50,000 into 6 percentage into 9 divided by 12. So we get 2250. This one 2250. This is outstanding interest on. And now it's an adjustment. So it has how many effects? Two effects. One should come in profit and loss account. Profit and loss account where, yes, in financial expenses, interest on Brahma's loan. And from there we have to transfer it to balance sheet liability side. Clear? Then I can see the topic is discount received. Now it's an easy one. Discount received is an income. Income means we have to go to profit and loss credit side. Then comes creditors. Creditors are there. Creditor where we have to go? In liabilities. Clear? After creditor, commission, bills payable and trade. Commission, it has been given on the credit side. So it's an income. Adjustment is there. So one take one line. After commission, it's bills payable. We have to pay the bill. Bill payable means what? Liability. And then comes trading account, the answer. So here there is no mistake in trading account. So directly we can come to profit and loss, and there we can write what? By gross profit amount 97250. Now come to the debit side. In debit side, I'm taking 3 points at a time. Drawings is there, building is there, and machinery is there. Drawings. So where we have to go to drawings? Drawings comes to Brahma and Vishnu. Clear? After drawings, I can see it's leasehold building is there. Leasehold building. So building is an asset. So we have to go to asset. Building is an asset. Clear? Leasehold building or leasehold property is one and the same thing. Now how this written off has come? How the return of is come? You can see it's for 10 years it has been said, 10 years. So 60,000, taken the calculation. 60,000 divided by 10. How much then? 6,000. And that we have to transfer it. That 6,000 we can transfer it to the profit and loss debit side, right? To leasehold property or leasehold building return. Okay? Then comes the third is machinery. Machinery is also an what? Asset. That also same thing. One tick, how many line? One line. Yes. Now third 3 points. What are the 3 points? Discount allowed, debtors and carriage out. Discount allowed is an expenses. So when the expenses come, where we have to go? Discount allowed, where we have to go? In sales and distribution. After discount allowed, we can go to debtors. Where we can go? Debtors. Debtors comes to what? Asset. After debtors, I can see it's carriage outward. So carriage outward comes to sales and distribution. Barabar? Then next 3 points. Furniture, fixtures, salary and bad debt. Furniture and fixtures. It's an asset. Again, furniture and fixtures. It's an asset. After that, salary and bad debt. Salary is an expenses. Expenses means where we have to move to the profit and loss. And after salary, it is bad debt. Bad debt is an loss to our business. Other expenses and losses. Bill receivable and trading expense. Bill receivable is an asset, normal. Then comes trading expense. The name is trading, but it will come in profit and loss, administrative. After that, I can see two things, cash balance and asset. So it's very simple question. It has been asked in the board question also. Cash balance, but this will come in the outer part, not in the inner part. Right, by mistake it has been written here. It will come in inner part. Okay, so 6,000 is there. And then comes closing stock. Closing stock should come to where? Assets. Now comes the first adjustment. Provide depreciation on machinery and 20% on furniture and fixtures. Machinery पे कितना देने को बोला है? 6%. So 50,000. How much percentage they are asking to find? 6%. Just calculate how much. 50,000 का 6% comes to how much? 3,000. After that, 20% on furniture and fixtures. 20%. 5,000. How much percentage? 20%. 20%. So 50,000, 20%. How much? 1,000. Comes to 4,000. Clear? And now both are we are deducting. So where we have to go? We have to go to profit and loss debit side. Depreciation, machinery as well as the furniture. Okay. Then comes the topic, write off 500 from debtors as bad debt. We have to deduct the bad debt. From where we can deduct? We can deduct from debtors. So 40,000 minus 500 comes to 39,500. Now it's a bad debt. Bad debt is a loss to the business. So we have to mention here. Plus bad debt adjustment. Plus BDR not written because the point is not there. That's why. Even if you write, no problem. Then comes annual salary of 5,000 and 4,000 payable to Brahma and Vishnu. Salary. To whom we have to give the salary? We have to give the salary to the partners. So if the partner says that way, we have to go to which account? Yes, profit and loss appropriation account. So you can see profit and loss appropriation debit salary Brahma and Vishnu. So total comes to 9,000. If you are writing the name of Brahma and Vishnu, it's an adjustment. We have to transfer to some other account also. So which is that account? In partners capital by salary Brahma and Vishnu. After that, commission of 500 is receivable. Commission we have to receive. So it's outstanding. We have to add it and plus same side. Where? Yes, balance sheet assets. After that, outstanding salary of 3,000. Again, it's the salary that we have to give. So outstanding salary, we have to add in salary, and then plus same side, balance sheet liability. So it's a very easy sum that we have done. Now we can see that how to tally this particular sum. So first of all, friends, we have to do the total of the credit side. If you do the total, it comes to 1,00650. Right? Make the total. I'm waiting for it. The total should come 1,00650. Okay. The same total we have to write on the debit side. The same total we have to write on the debit side. Written. And then comes the net profit. What is the net profit? 68750. This comes our net profit. And this net profit we have to transfer to the new account, that is P&L appropriation account. By net profit, make the total. Make the total. Yes, you get the total of 68750. Now, what we have to do? The same total we have to write on the debit side. That is 68750. Just deduct it, right? Just deduct it from salary. We get this answer: 59750. 59750. That answer we get. And now after getting this, we have to distribute between two partners, and some ratio is given to us, right? That you can see from the question. In questions clear written, the ratio is 3:2. So calculate 59750 into 3 divided by 5 into 3 divided by 5. 35850. In the same way, 59750 into 2 divided by 5, we get 23900. Clear, friends? After this, we have to transfer this profit to some other account, which from here we have to transfer to profit and loss appropriation account. Clear? So that is 35850 23900. And now again the same procedure starts. What is the procedure? Yes, we have to make the total. So let the total comes to you 95850. That is the total. Then comes Vishnu's total 72900. 72900. Here also. In Brahma also same 95850. In Vishnu also 72900. Okay. Now just deduct this 5000 and again in Vishnu 5000. So here comes to you balance 90850 and 67900. 90850 and 67900. Okay. And after doing this balance, what we have to do? We have to make the balance sheet. So let goes to balance sheet Brahma and Vishnu. Brahma and Vishnu. So make the total of these two, and we can go to this side. It comes to you 158750. 158750. Now we should make the total of this side. So we get 2,44,000 and 2,44,000. Right. So let's see the sum. See the sum perfectly if it is not tallied each and everything. 2,44,000, 2,44,000. So again a short revision. What is the new point in this question? The new point is that you have been given trading account. You have been given trading account already. So no mistake was there. So indirectly profit and loss. If any mistake is there, we have to prepare which account, that is revised trading account. हमें क्या बनाना पड़ता है? Revised trading account. But here there is no mistake. So we can go to directly profit and loss credit side. वहां पे एंट्री हम कर सकते हैं, बराबर. Then income has come, discount received, commission and receivable commission. Administrative, we know salary plus outstanding, trading expense, sales में discount allowed, carriage outward, financial expenses पता चला आपको ब्रह्मास्त्र, राइट. पार्टनर्स का इंटरेस्ट, बैड डेट में सिर्फ 2 ही पॉइंट बताया. फिर आया डेप्रिसिएशन. डेप्रिसिएशन में 2 पॉइंट है, मशीनरी और फर्नीचर. Then it has been said return of leasehold building या property. It's one and the same thing. That is not a problem. So to return of leasehold building 6,000. So finally comes our net profit. Finally comes our net profit. That we have to transfer to the coming account. That is profit and loss appropriation account. So you can see in profit and loss appropriation, net profit has been there. Right. After getting that one, right, we have to make the total. So what is the total? 68750. No other point is there on the credit side. So that's the total. Here also we have written the same total, 68750. Then the salary has been come 5,000 and 4,000. Total comes to 9,000. Then we have deducted the answer. Then comes 59750. 59750. And that we have to distribute in which ratio? 3:2. So for 3 it comes to 35850, and for 2 it comes to 23900. And from there we have to go to the new account where, yes, that is partners capital account. You know how to prepare partners capital? It's very easy, right? So what is the answer of that? What is the balance of partners capital? Partners capital balance is always shown on the credit side. While if you are preparing current account, the balance may be have on the debit or maybe credit. Both the side, the current account balance we can have. Here partners capital is given on the credit side. So we have done this one. Salary we have written, P&L appropriation we have written, and now we have to make the total, that is 95850, and then comes 72,900. Now that total we have to match up with the debit side. Debit we have written 95850, 72900. So after getting the total, we have to deduct these drawings 5,000, Vishnu's 5,000, and then we get this particular answer 90850 and 67900. And from there we have to transfer to the balance sheet. So when we come to balance sheet, you can see the 3 main headings. That is fixed capital account, non-current liabilities, and current liabilities. While it comes to asset, it's non-current asset, in that fixed asset and current assets. Clear, friends? It's very easy. So in fixed capital, we can write Brahma and Vishnu Ning, make the total, and we can go to this side 158,750. And then comes Brahma's loan, that is 50,000. Creditors 25,000. Bills payable 5,000. Salary 3,000. Interest on loan 2250. So we get the total 2,44,000 total asset. While on the asset side, we get the total 54,000, right? Then comes 47,000. Then comes 4,000, 39,500, 20,000, 6,000, 73,000, and 5,000. And the total comes to us 2,44,000. Clear? So friends, in the next period, we are going to solve the 9th question, Parthiv and Priya question. You have to read this particular sum and you have to read all the adjustments, because you can see that in PowerPoint presentation, I cannot show the questions at all. So it's not possible that one time question, one time answer. So it's not clear in a proper way. So you should have the textbook in your hands, then only you can understand. And ninth question is hard as compared to the eighth question, right? So read the question number 9. Which one? Yes, Parthiv and Priya. Read it perfectly, and you have to tick mark all the adjustments. You have to tick mark all the adjustments. Clear? So we are closing here. Thank you all of you.